Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by granting permissions and updating Fisch so sensors feed reliable data. Next, calibrate the compass. Rotate your device 3 times slowly, because heading errors skew routes. Once done, download the offline map tile for the area to avoid gaps when signal drops. Also make sure background location is allowed so logging continues when the screen sleeps. These initial steps minimize early errors and get you ready to record accurate tracks and waypoints right away. Now you set how Fisch navigates and logs. Choose the mode that matches your activity because algorithms change turn prompts and sampling rate. Add waypoints at unambiguous landmarks and set a proximity radius to trigger alerts. This reduces missed turns. For consistent fixes, keep the antenna free from obstructions and favor open sky. Trees and buildings reduce accuracy. If you need centimeter-level consistency, pair an external GNSS receiver. Adjust logging frequency. To finish, verify you've arrived by checking the waypoint distance and visually confirming the map pin. Once satisfied, save and export your track as GPX or CSV and back it up to cloud or SD to prevent data loss. Conserve battery by switching to low-power logging if needed. If fixes degrade, recalibrate sensors, briefly enable airplane mode, then disable it to force a fresh satellite lock or restart Fisch. These actions clear glitches and prompt the receiver to reacquire accurate satellites quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.